right, peace, y'all. Now we're gonna do the crochet double chain or half I cord. We're gonna take 2 yarn. So you can either take 2 spools of yarn or you can cut them. It's your choice. But I did give measurements for exact length. All right, so we're gonna make a slip knot. How do I do this again? With both yarn. Slip knot. Ooh. We're gonna, all right, so you can choose which is the top or bottom cord, but the pink in my case is the bottom, the yellow is the top. So with our slip knot, we are going to we're gonna yarn under the bottom strand. We're gonna yarn over with the top strand. We're gonna pull through. Again, we're going to yarn under with the top strand, yarn over with, or the bottom strand, sorry, and then yarn over with the top strand. Again, yarn under, because you're going under the cord, and you're gonna yarn over with the top. All right, so once you have 162, you're gonna cut the end and you're gonna burn it. So, give me a second. So you're gonna cut and children, right? Anyway, can't find my fabric shears, so. I like to kind of like wave it so that way it doesn't like make a black mark. So, and now you should be good. There you go. We are going to add our drawstring. So grab your darning needle, your drawstring, and pull my little. All right, that's enough. So. Looking at the front of the pants, we're gonna insert our darning needle into the top stitch to the right. So this is our inseam stitch here. Let me fix that. And we're gonna skip this, which is the join stitch, and we're gonna go into the next one. Now personally, I know this is the top of the stitches across here. I like to go through not just the top stitch, but that extra yarn underneath. And so we're gonna in and out all the way through, and we're gonna skip every stitch that's at the top of the seams. We're gonna skip those instead of adding the drawstring to that as well. So we're gonna insert here, pull to our desired length. You can adjust it as you go. So we're gonna come in, as you can see, here. And then we're gonna in. So again, front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back, all the way till you get to the side seam. Right here, okay. Okay. All right, so we're gonna skip the side seam as well at the top here, and we're gonna go in from the top. Again, we're gonna skip, we're not gonna just use the top one, we're gonna add the third one too. What happened here? in from the front, out from the back. Again, in from the front, out from the back. Oh, yeah, out from the back. In from the front, out from the back. We're gonna continue until we get to the front. Or maybe until we get to the back seam. So you're gonna end, for me, I ended on the back. Again, we're gonna skip the inseam stitch here with the brown at the top for me. This is from the back, we're gonna go, from the front, we're gonna go into the back here. Back, front, back, front, back. Continue until we get all the way to the front. Remember, we're gonna skip the side seam stitch as well for the side seam. So we're gonna meet back here at the front. You can like draw them up. And now there you go. Just like that. And you can fix if the length is all wonky or whatnot. But yep, that is how I put the drawstring in the pan. We're gonna skip all the seams and in and out all the way through. Now, if you do come across some unevenness or it's coming in through, like one of the issues I was having was it was ending on the back. And if that's the case, then you might have to, if you're following the pattern to the T, then you should be fine. But if you're altering it, then you might have to add one in like the back seam stitch just to even the numbers. But I would encourage to check as well first to make sure like it's going in every other one on the back side, because that might also help if you accidentally put it in wrong or skipped a loop. So yeah, there you go.